Mukhang katawa-tawa. So, panoorin na lang natin tong video na ito.
Maraming salamat at dumalo si Mr. Duterte dito sa meeting natin sa Quadcom. No? Ilang beses po natin pinapatawag kahit doon sa Committee on Human Rights ay hindi po dumating. Ito pong war on drugs. Noong panahon po ni Mr. Duterte, sa tingin po ba ng ating resource person, Mr. Chair, may na-accomplish po itong war on drugs?
I had to do it because it was demanded of the time. Whether you believe it or not, whether you have the statistics different from ours, the government, it has gone a long way to protect the people, especially the children. Successful.
Successful po ba ang war on drugs ninyo, Mr. Chair?
Successful, ma'am.